Introduction to Tahiti travel. Dreaming of white sandy beaches and clear turquoise waters? Tahiti beckons with its breathtaking natural beauty. But before you can immerse yourself in paradise, there's a crucial step: completing the Tahiti travel registration process. Visa and entry requirements. For many travelers, including those from the European Union, the United States, Canada, or Australia, a visa on arrival awaits. This visitor's visa lets you soak in Tahiti's splendor for up to 90 days. Just ensure your passport has 6 months of validity and you have a return ticket and proof of funds for your stay. Booking your journey next up: securing your passage to paradise. Direct flights from major cities or routes with scenic layovers are your tickets to Tahiti. And for your island slumber, choose from luxurious resorts to private vacation rentals. Remember, a little research goes a long way in finding the perfect spot to unwind. Activities and excursions. Tahiti isn't just a pretty face, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Dive into snorkeling, explore cultural treasures, or sail to enchanting isles. For a deeper dive into Tahitian life, consider a guided tour to uncover the island's best-kept secrets. Health and safety tips. Travel smart with medical insurance and keep your prescriptions close. Tahiti's beauty is matched by its vulnerability to natural events, so stay alert to weather warnings and local advice. Cultural etiquette. When in Tahiti, modesty is key. Dress appropriately, especially in sacred spaces, and embrace local customs with respect. A simple aya orana can open hearts. And remember, shoes off at the door is a sign of courtesy. Welcome to Tahiti, where adventure and culture meet in harmony. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.